Context Expert Analytics delivers actionable insight at the point of need. And we've received consistent feedback that a key problem for lawyers when appointing an expert is that they currently rely on the opinions of colleagues or anecdotal history and have no quantitative starting point when compiling a shortlist of experts. So we've leveraged the power of the LexisNexis US Context product and brought that to the UK to create the UK's largest AI-powered database of experts. Context Expert Analytics is powered by 16 million records of published experts from our sister company Elsevier. Utilising cutting-edge AI technology to identify published experts in the Elsevier database, who also appear in our extensive case law collection, we ensure lawyers have instant access to a database of published experts with experience giving opinion in court. In addition, we use that AI technology to instantly provide data-driven insights on case analytics and present judges' comments with a sentiment grade to save lawyers time manually vetting experts and give them confidence in their selection. So you can use this product to search by expert name or to search by area of expertise. So if I click on area of expertise and type in clinical psychology and click into it, it returns the clinical psychologist that we have in this huge collection of experts. And we've got filters down the left-hand side, so we can choose to focus on area of expertise, hiring party reference, or within an existing collection. So we'll come on to this later, but it gives you the opportunity to search a smaller self-selected pool, which has been gathered by you or a colleague within your firm. So if we click into our chosen result, it brings back analytics for this particular expert. So looking at these, we've identified data from our case law collection about performance, volume, and hiring party. So this removes bias and opinion when selecting experts and allows you to make an evidence-based decision on who to shortlist and explain your selection with confidence. So towards the right, we can see the hiring party. So who has this expert acted for more commonly? Has it been the defendant? Has it been the claimant? Has it been equally weighted to both? Another crucial question when you're selecting experts is how recent is their work? So how recently have they been tested at this kind of level? And in this instance, we can see our particular expert hasn't been involved in any wins, but there are a lot of positive comments. So it illustrates, as you'll know, that the success of an expert isn't necessarily dependent on the outcome. And then from here, you can also safely add notes to the database of experts and efficiently share knowledge across your firm. So we understand that a particular pain point in larger firms is that it's not necessarily known which experts other departments are instructing and therefore what the history is within the firm. So this notes feature resolves these issues by being able to document which individuals in a firm have instructed who, so that you can have a more detailed conversation around what this particular expert was like to work with. And these notes aren't accessible to LexisNexis, so we don't see them at all. They're only available and can only be seen within your firm's environment. And then as we scroll down from the analytics, we've set out the relevant paragraphs of text where the expert's been mentioned in our cases. And this enables you to instantly access a paragraph on the page that references the expert and complete speedy due diligence. And to do this, we've used natural language processing to show the sentiment of a judge's commentary at the top of a paragraph, meaning you don't have to manually search through case law files, saving you time. So from the perspective of, I want to see how this particular expert performed in this case because they're someone that the opposition have instructed in a litigation matter, then you can see if that aligns to your own client's position. And users are particularly excited about this feature due to the significant amount of time it saves them in their current workflow. We've also got the Cases tab towards the top, which gives you a list of cases that are referenced, and our database is continually updated using the latest artificial intelligence technology to ensure an expert's data is updated within 24 hours from the judgment or case going live in Lexis Library, which means customers can be confident they're using the most up-to-date information and they have the knowledge of current experts with recent courtroom history. We also have the Journals tab, which provides access to the journals and other works that this expert has co-authored and published. And this is so that we can get an even better and more well-rounded view of the expert based on their publications. And then lastly, I just wanted to show you the Collections feature, which is accessible from the search page. So Collections is essentially a mini directory of pre-vetted and reliable experts that can be used to make recovering a shortlist or sharing with colleagues easier. So if we do that same search as we did at the beginning, so clinical psychology, again, click into it. To create a collection, we simply click on the boxes relevant to the names that we're wishing to include. So we'll click a few of those and then hit the Add to Collection button towards the top. So at this point, we've got the option to create a new collection, title it, or even add to an existing collection. And we can also choose whether we set that to be private or public, which would make it available to the whole firm. So whether you want to create a pre-vetted list of experts that save you time in the long term, or want to use analytics and judge sentiment to evidence your selection and shortlist with confidence, or simply want a way to assess experts from the other side, or joint single experts as part of your case strategy, Context Expert Analytics provides instant access to published experts with experience giving legal opinion and outputs essential statistics, which saves time creating a shortlist and reduces the risk of instructing the wrong person.